Come here, Bo.
And we thought, like, we can't do a toast. It's our baby brother. We have to do something fun and creative. Like, maybe we should do a dance, or a play, or a skit. And then we thought, I don't know if you all know, but Devin's senior year, he won a rap battle in Mexico. So what better way to celebrate our brother than a little rap, okay? So your ghetto sisters are gonna give you a rap, okay? Okay, so Stacia, throw me a beat. When Devin was single, we ain't gonna lie. Every girl he brought home, we said,
No, bye-bye.
Then we saw Addie.
Oh yeah, she fine.
That's when Devin said,
She has to be mine.
how he did it, we just aren't sure.
He must have had a hook and a really good lure.
Between Devin and Addie, we all like Addie more. And man, we're glad.
She's not a whoa, it's not that kind of party. We don't talk like that anymore. What you thinking? This is a party from 2004?
That was back in the day when you played football like a gorilla.
And then you plan a wedding and turn into
Godzilla!
And don't let it go, we love you all the same.
We are just excited that you're out of the game.
So Devin and Addie, have a good life.
Raise your glasses, y'all.
And toast the husband and wife.